assignment trackers, just for the assignment track section on Google Sheets, and just fill this one out. Here's the subject, it's a certain class that you want to do. You can also just change this if you wanted to, different classes that you are in, as well as adding the different colors. Here you can put the assignment name, as well as the status, whether it's not started and are you scheduled. Whatever you want to name it. Here's the time, so I think it's good to consider the time it takes to take an assignment on this to force you to see how much time each assignment takes for it's due. It also just allows you to feel this it takes. Here, this is due date. Obviously, due date's really important when creating assignments. Another thing to really keep in mind is when you like to start the assignment. Having a start date allows you to not have so much pressure to finish, but kind of just get you start the assignment that makes fits within your schedule. Let's go back here. I think another one that you can utilize is the schedule, pre-made schedule sheets. Here you can also put the different schedules and you can duplicate this and change your schedule to which week you're talking about. So you just can continuously create this and create weekly schedules for the semester. I'm going to share with you my personal okay. I apologize, my blank cut out. But this is my personal academic assignment tracker. Here, these are just little charts that I think are just really visually appealing and just help me get a sense of accomplishment when it comes to my work. Here are just my different classes, the assignment name, status. So again, it looks very similar to the one that Google Sheets already created. Task duration. I didn't necessarily use this, however, I still think it would be a good idea. This is the time that things are due, as well as the due date. I have a column here that says how many days left until it is due. So as you can see here, definitely started with a few assignments, but scrolling down more, you can see how many days I have left to complete the rest of my assignments for the semester. So this one, this was inspired by assignment tracker that I bought in Etsy, which I just ended up to kind of just fit with certain categories that I prioritize. So as you can see here, if you just log into Etsy and click assignment tracker, you can see all of these different assignment trackers that are honestly very affordable, but just a couple dollars. This was about 90 cents, and they just send you a downloadable file that automatically goes into your sheets. I think this is just a good little craft spreadsheet to just have all your assignments all in one place. Kind of like a planner, just a little bit more for academics. Here, as you can see, you can also just create and just fill out the different styles. However, I think utilizing the different templates that are already created will be great. Also, want to just share the table section that Google Sheets has to offer. So, as you can see, there is featured lots of supply table. That's tasks. So, this is pretty much very similar to the assignment task, just a little different. Project task, same thing. It has all these really important columns with the different categories that are good to keep in mind. There's content tracker, product, all these different things that I just think are just so very helpful when it comes to setting yourself up for success academically. But anyway, just to conclude this video, I hope you got a sense of how Google Sheets can be a great tool to use as a student and especially as a student athlete. Just so many things going on within your schedule. And I think this will help you just set you up for success in the best way possible so you can perform well both in the classroom and personally. Overall, I hope you guys enjoyed this little brief review and really consider utilizing this tool